What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install landscape steps. So right now you can see we're installing the base. Usually use crushed concrete or some good 3/4 inch drainage stone, whatever manufacturer recommends, or like if you're just installing some big blocks and stuff, you can use either or. So these steps right here, they're 30 inches wide and that's the width. So, and then they're 6 feet long. And this we use a level. We make sure the base and everything's got a little bit of downward slope to it so that way it doesn't retain water. And you can see with each step as we go up, we just add the crushed material and we grade it all out, make sure everything's level, check it with a level. And then, like I said, we put our little slope. And on our steps, what we like to do is we overlap it a good amount. So on these ones, they're 30 inches wide. Like I said, we're overlapping at 10 inches. So you have 20 inches of step to actually walk on, and that way it keeps the steps sturdy. The biggest thing is you don't want them to settle and stuff, and you want to have the right tools when installing steps. Like in this, you can see we got this big lifting tool for our excavator. These steps are pretty heavy, and there's definitely a lot of tricks like you want to make sure to do when installing steps. Definitely the most important is having your base set. Having the correct base will give you the longevity that your steps will last, and that's probably one of the most important parts. And then definitely beforehand, so when you're installing your steps, you want to measure like the step height and the width of them and mark out how high you want your steps. Like ours right here for this one is going to be 4 feet tall, so we needed, I want to say it was like 14 or 12 or 14 feet of area to install those steps to get the right height to match up to where we wanted our steps to end up. And yeah, there's a bunch of calculations you can use. You can go on Google and stuff and search like how to measure the height and stuff, but it's pretty easy to figure out once you know your step height and your step width. That'll be the big factor. And depending on what you're doing, like with your steps, like this one, we installed like a big landing pad. So we did 2 steps flat together. So that way they could drive their lawnmower across. That was their only access they had to their backyard. So that's what we installed here. And on a lot of them, you're going to want to, like most of the time, like you'll build your retaining wall with like blocks on the side of it and stuff. But on this one, since they wanted to be able to drive across, we just put a bunch of stone in on the edges so it wouldn't erode. And then we're going to slope it so the topsoil and stuff goes right to the step. And simple install. But yeah, those are some just a quick video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want tons more info and education on installing landscaping products, or just if you enjoy or watching our videos, we appreciate it.